How to connect your Sonos speakers to PS4 and PS5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Sonos speakers to a PlayStation 4 or a PlayStation 5, even though the consoles don't support Bluetooth speaker directly. Method 1. Use your TV's HDMI ARC or optical out. Step 1. Connect your PS4 or PS5 to your TV via HDMI as usual. 2. Connect your Sonos speakers to the TV. If your Sonos supports HDMI ARC, use an HDMI cable from the speakers to the ARC port on your TV. If not, use the optical adapter that comes with your Sonos to connect via optical out. 3. Go into your TV settings and set audio output to HDMI ARC or optical, depending on what you're using. Step 4. Your console audio will now play through the Sonos speakers automatically. Method 2. Use line-in connection with HDMI audio extractor. Step 1. Get an HDMI audio extractor. 2. Plug your PS4 and PS5 into the extractor's HDMI input. 3. Plug the HDMI output to your TV or monitor. 4. Use the extractor's audio out port to connect your Sonos speakers line-in. Open the Sonos app and switch to the line-in source. Now, your game sound goes straight into your Sonos. Optional: streaming audio with PS Remote Play or AirPlay. Open PS Remote Play on iPhone, iPad or Mac. Connect your controller and stream your PS4 and PS5 screen. Swipe to open AirPlay and select your Sonos speaker. Great for cutscenes, not ideal for fast gameplay due to some delay. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to connect your Sonos speakers to a PS4 or a PS5 using different methods depending on your setup. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.